Today I'm at Block 528 Bedok North. Are you looking for a unit that is ready to move in? Then we have to look at this stunning HDB unit. Hi, I'm Noonal Farina from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division, Dallas Hassan branch. Let's take a look at this beautiful house. This tastefully renovated low-floor apartment features 3 bedrooms, making it perfect for a family. With a size of 92 square meter, you have ample of space to move around. All 3 bedrooms are so much spacious that you can accommodate all your furnitures. This master bedroom is so huge that it can accommodate a queen-size bed or even a king-size bed. Despite that, there is still room for a study table. The kitchen has been completely renovated, ensuring that it's ready for your cooking and baking needs. With all new cabinets and appliances, there is also plenty of storage space to keep your pantry stocked. If you are worried about location, then don't be. Our Bedok North apartment is situated in a convenient spot with plenty of amenities nearby. From grocery stores to restaurants, you will have everything at your fingertips. This is a rare opportunity to own a stunning, fully renovated HDB unit with all the amenities you need. Perfect for young families and couples looking into that ideal home to grow in. Now that you have seen what we have to offer, are you ready to make this lovely apartment your home? Then do not wait to call me at 8782-4337. This is Noonal Farina from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division, and I'll see you on the next video.